Quick Facts with Franklin. I hope you learned something. Love you. Bye. State capital and facts. Science. History. World. Math. Massachusetts is a small but mighty state. It packs a huge punch as the birthplace of American history and home to world-famous universities. Its capital, Boston, blends colonial charm with modern energy. Massachusetts became a state in February 1788, making it one of the original 13 colonies. The clam chowder and lobster here is delicious. The adorable black-capped chickadee is Massachusetts' official state bird. This tiny ball of energy perfectly represents Massachusetts wildlife. It has an incredible memory and can hide thousands of seeds, remembering exactly where they are later. The chickadees can grow new brain cells to help improve their memory each season. They get smarter every season. Dorothy Hodgkin was a brilliant scientist who discovered exactly how penicillin and vitamin B12 were built at the atomic level. She used X-ray crystallography to see inside tiny molecules that no one else could imagine. Her amazing work proved that small changes in these molecules could stop deadly diseases from hurting people. She spent decades working on an even harder puzzle called vitamin B12, which looks like a tangled ball of atoms. By taking thousands of X-ray pictures, she figured out exactly how every single part was connected together. This incredible effort allowed her to map the exact layout of complex vitamins that help our bodies grow strong and healthy. Knowing the exact shape of these molecules allows scientists to make better medicines that are stronger, more efficient, and safer for your body. Her discoveries helped doctors understand how bacteria grow, so they could stop them with powerful drugs like penicillin. This knowledge turned dangerous diseases into treatable conditions for millions of people around the world. It is the foundation for creating new treatments that save more and more lives every single day. Her work paved the way for modern medicine to create specialized medication to fight specific sickness, such as chemotherapy for leukemia. Her vitamin B12 research helped to treat serious health problems like anemia. These illnesses that were once very deadly for children and adults alike have become treatable. To learn more about Dorothy Hodgkin, you can read or watch her biography. To learn more about her work, you can study medical biology and biochemical engineering. Thank you, Dorothy Hodgkin, for your amazing work. Devil's Tower rises 800 feet from the flat Wyoming Badlands, a towering rock formation older than many mountains. It looks like a massive stone column that seems to touch the sky itself. This natural monument has inspired stories and legends for thousands of years. It stands as a unique and powerful symbol of nature's ability to shape the earth over vast periods of time. Scientists believe this giant column formed when hot magma, over millions of years, wind and rain slowly wore away the softer rock surrounding the hard core, leaving this isolated pillar standing alone on the plain. The tower is covered in long vertical cracks that look like giant pipe organ keys or a honeycomb structure created by cooling lava. Devil's Tower holds a special place in the hearts of Native American tribes as a sacred site filled with ancient stories and spiritual meaning. It became the very first national monument in the United States, protecting its unique beauty for future generations to explore. This status ensures that the land remains untouched while honoring both scientific wonder and cultural heritage forever. Visitors from all around the world travel to this location to hike the base trail and climb the rock face for an unforgettable outdoor adventure. The protection of this monument helps preserve local wildlife habitats. Animals like the bison, elk, and eagles thrive without disturbance from modern development or industrial activity. Long-term conservation efforts ensure that the natural erosion processes continue naturally, while allowing scientists to study the geological history recorded in its stone layers. To learn more about Devil's Tower, you can read books about geology, or visit a local science museum to learn about the cooling process of magma and how these unique columns are formed. I give this monument 2 thumbs up. The Aurora Borealis is a dazzling light display that dances across the night sky near Earth's poles. This natural wonder occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with gases in our atmosphere. Scientists call this spectacular phenomenon the Northern Lights because it appears most often in northern regions. These glowing curtains form when solar wind travels millions of miles to crash into Earth's magnetic field. When charged particles hit gases like oxygen and nitrogen in our air, they emit different colors. Oxygen creates the common green colors, while nitrogen often adds blue or purple hues to the mix. These collisions release energy that we see as shimmering lights floating silently above the horizon. Studying the aurora helps scientists understand how our planet protects itself from harmful solar radiation. Without this shield, harmful solar radiation would strip away our atmosphere and make life difficult for living things. The aurora acts as a visible sign that Earth's defense system is actively working to keep us safe from space weather. Strong solar storms that cause bright auroras can sometimes disrupt satellite communications and power grids on Earth. Engineers use data from aurora studies to build stronger equipment that withstand these cosmic storms effectively. Protecting our modern world requires constant observation of the sky and learning how to adapt to solar activity. These events remind us that space weather has real consequences for our technology and daily lives. To learn more about the Aurora Borealis, you can read about space physics, view real-time images on NASA's website, or watch documentaries about this amazing display. The merry dancers can be seen more south when the sun has higher activity levels. Stargazers don't forget to peek outside between September to March. I hope you learned something. If not, let's watch again. Love you. Bye.